Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am teacher Patrick by name. So today's another episode of my past question and answer with Unidel Posiemi past questions. Okay, so here goes the question. Okay, so this question falls under this particular topic: components of a vector. So I'm going to break it down first before I move straight to the what solution. Here goes the question. A car moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second at 30 degrees to the horizontal. What is the component of the velocity along the horizontal? These are the options: 17.3 meters per second, 10 meters per second, 20 meters per second, 34 meters per second, 21 meters per second. Solution. Okay, why solving this type of question? There are things we need to know. Okay, now components of a vector. We have our y-axis, we have our s-axis. So when you draw your line, now for the y-axis, is always having sine theta, while for the s-axis is always having cos theta. Okay, so now this is the velocity that is given that we are looking for. Now if it's for the y-axis, we call it the for the y-axis we call it the vertical component, while for the s-axis we call it the horizontal component. Okay, so please take note: vertical component, horizontal component. Okay, now if you go back to the question says a car moving with a velocity 20 meters at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Take note of that 30 degrees. We put it here. To the horizontal. Take note, horizontal. 30 degrees. Now, let's continue. What is the component of the velocity along the horizontal? To the horizontal, 30 degrees. And then I'm asking you again, the component of this velocity along the horizontal also. Okay, so it makes our work very easy. So the first thing you do, since you're looking for the velocity, so it's going to be Vs is equal to V cos theta. Take note, because it's what? Horizontal. Because cos theta is inclined to the horizontal. So that's why we're using V cos theta. Now, what is our velocity in the equation? Our velocity was given as what? 30 degrees. And what is our 20 meters per second? So our velocity is 20 meters per second and our angle is given as 30 degrees, which is this 30 degrees you are seeing here. So velocity is 20 meters per second. Put your 20 here. Times cos, what is our theta? Which is the angle? 30 degrees. So put your 30 degrees here. So let's go. 20 times cos 30. So if you use your calculator, cos 30 is going to give us 0.8660. Why using your calculator? So when you multiply 20 times 0.8660, you're going to have 17.32 meters per second. Approximately, you go to your option that was given, A is 17.3, so we can approximate to 17.3 meters per second. You go back, you take your answer as what? Option A. So our final answer is option A. So this is how you solve question involving components of a vector. We have the vertical and we have the horizontal. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.